Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be looking into how to install XAMPP on your Windows machine. So I'll just head over to Google Chrome and I'll search for XAMPP download. And okay, so here's a quick recaptcha. Okay, so I'll just go to this website apachefriends.org and I'll download XAMPP from here. So I'm on Windows 64-bit, so this is something I should be downloading. So when I download, the file should already start downloading. As you can see, now I have already downloaded this file, so I'll just cancel and go to File Explorer. As you can see, I have the file here, so I'll just install it. Okay, so here are some features that are not accessible due to Windows, so that's okay. And I need everything, just go ahead with next. Select a folder to install XAMPP, so I'll just go ahead and choose E drive so that I can, keep track of things separately. I'll just create a new folder here called XAMPP and I'll choose that folder. Next, English language, and no, I do not want to learn more about Bitnami. And now my setup is ready to install, so I'll just click next. Okay, so we'll just wait until this finishes. Okay, so I'll just allow access. Okay, so I'll click finish and it should launch the XAMPP control panel. Okay, so here we are on the XAMPP control panel and I'll just start the Apache and MySQL servers. Okay, so both of them have started successfully. If you have any errors, for example, sometimes what happens is when you start the MySQL server, there will be an error that says MySQL shut down unexpectedly. So in that case, what you have to do is make sure that any other applications are not using this port 3306. So if Skype is installed on your machine or another instance of XAMPP itself is running, then make sure you free up the port 3306 and then try running the MySQL server again. So how do you make sure that everything is working fine? Just close this control panel window, it will be minimized, and just navigate to localhost. So if you can see this window, that means your XAMPP installation is installed like successfully. And for PHPMyAdmin, you can visit localhost/PHPMyAdmin. And if you see the screen, it means that your installation has been, completed successfully. So that is how you install XAMPP on Windows. And see you guys in the next video. Thank you.